Hello, good afternoon. My name is Fatima Ponce.
My name is Garcia.
My name is Estefany Munoz.
And we are going to be presenting our research topic, which is vaccine hesitancy towards the COVID-19 vaccine. A little history about COVID-19 is that it was first found in Wuhan, China during December of 2019. This virus is an airborne virus, which means that it spreads through respiratory droplets, coughing, sneezing, and other means. This pandemic and virus has affected people worldwide in many different ways. In one of the most significant ways, it has made us not live through our regular days, such as how we used to. In this research, we are going to focus on why people were hesitant towards the COVID-19 vaccine, and we have discovered that the lack of trust towards the vaccine from the public was due to these three reasons: the speed of production, the unknown components of the vaccine, and the side effects that it may cause. The three main vaccine companies that we are going to be focusing on are Moderna Therapeutics, Pfizer and BioNTech, and Johnson & Johnson. Although there is still very much hesitancy towards the vaccine, we have discovered that this vaccine is to better our day-to-day lives and to control and end this pandemic.
The objective and goal of this research was to determine why people are hesitant to get the vaccine, and some of these reasons that we had discovered were the speed of production, the components of the vaccines, the side effects, and other vaccines. Overall, therefore, the purpose of this research was to find out why people were hesitant on getting the vaccines. On materials and methods, so to gather this research and the information that made up this poster was articles that were collected, studies, and surveys across the United States. The research had started with how the virus was first developed and how it transmitted to humans and how it was spread across the world. Finally, the data that was collected that made this research was the different companies, the components, the speed of production, and if people were willing to get the vaccine. On figure 1.1, this was people were, you could tell in the graph that people were more hesitant on getting the vaccine.
In the results of our research, we found out that most people did not trust the vaccines due to the reasons they did not know what the contents of the vaccines were, how rapidly it was produced, and the side effects of the vaccines. In figure 1.2, we can see that it shows us who did not trust the vaccines. We can see that 53% of African Americans community did not want to get a vaccine, while we can also see 50% of Latin communities did not trust the vaccine either, just like 38% of the white communities and 48% of the other communities. We can also see in figure 1.3 how the polls of the individuals who were willing to get the COVID-19 vaccine. We can see that in September 2020, 20% were definitely not going to get the vaccine, but that changed drastically to December 2020, where we can see that people were definitely going to get the vaccine by 40%. In conclusion, we learned the reasons that people did not want to get the vaccine were because of how rapidly it was produced, how they did not know the side effects, and because they did not know the components of the vaccines. But we can see that at the end of our research that changed, and people are already willing to get the vaccine so they could get back to their normal lives, their daily lives, and try to overcome this pandemic.
We would like to give a special thanks to the Vice President, Dr. Nora Garza, and our LEAPS Project Director, Ms. Rosemary Agüero.
And as well as our faculty mentor, Dr. Manuel Gonzalez, and our mentor, Javier Villagomez.
We would like to thank Ms. Gabriela Solis Cavazos and the LEAPS program.